Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see and we are going to start rights. First, we'll start with PYQs of rights and analysis of PYQs of rights. So, rights, what are the PYQs with respect to rights? 2024 PYQ, a debate on human rights between universalism and cultural relativism. So, we have to understand what is universalism, what is cultural relativism, right? What is debate on human rights. Then multicultural perspective on rights. What is multicultural perspective on rights? Then cultural relativism we have to understand, right? What is human rights? How their contestation within human rights is very much important, right? You can see questions on human rights again and again, and cultural relativism and human human debate on human rights theory, Asian values, they have a lot of importance in rights theory. So there can be a universal conception of human rights. Again, human rights. Right to property in political theory. You'll go back to Nozick, you will go back to Locke, you'll go back to neoliberals even. Then rights as trumps. Rights as trumps. What is rights as trumps? Rights as trumps was said by Dworkin in his book Sovereign Virtue. Then what is three generation of human rights? Then you will see continued question on multiculturalism, right? Again question on human rights, implementation of human rights, idea of natural rights, what is natural rights, comparative analysis of natural rights and human rights, Isaiah Berlin's notion of value pluralism. We have seen this, right? We have seen what is value pluralism of Isaiah Berlin. So the questions remain very much on the topics of human rights, multiculturalism, cultural relativism, and uh, contestation within human rights theory, Asian values debate. Right? So, natural rights, human rights, what are rights? Three generation of rights. We are going to understand three generation of rights. Rights as trumps. Universalism of rights, cultural relativism. What is cultural relativism? What is relativism? We have to understand. Then individual rights versus community rights. Uh, liberal and multicultural conceptions of rights. What is communitarian idea of rights, right? We have seen justice as particularist, we will see rights as particularist as well. Then human rights, sovereignty, sovereignty versus humanitarian intervention. This we will see when we are going to study responsibility to protect, right? Then minority rights, identity politics. Recent debates on this will have to cover free speech and religion. These are also under rights, property rights versus welfare state, very contemporary debates. Gender, cultural and indigenous rights, very contemporary. Constitutional rights and their adjudication, very contemporary. So asked repeatedly, asked almost every year, and have a lot of core areas and a lot of core importance. Small topic, a lot of return on interest, right? And rights theory becomes important in IR as well, right? We are going to understand there what is the importance, but rights theory has importance in IR as well, right? Contemporary relevance of rights theory is very high. It is extremely high. So rights as a topic become very very important, and from the next lecture we'll see what rights really mean, what rights really mean, and what is what is essential features of rights, how rights evolved, how rights are interpreted, what are types of rights, right? Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next lecture.